Hey, Carmen. What's going on today? I'm making this movie with the hopes that maybe we will be able to catch her pooping. Because she's just had a full belly. You gonna do anything interesting? No? Uh-oh, here come the hiccups. Oh, and we're spitting up. Oh, let's see, can I keep the movie going and deal with the spit up? Yeah, not effectively. Not effectively at all. Oh yeah, we might get a poop. Work it out, Carmen. Alright. No gas this time. Better luck next time. Say bye-bye, Carmen. Oh, wait, are we gonna do something interesting? Kick, kick, kick. Do your Elaine dance. Kick. There was a little fart. I don't know if you heard it. Alright, nobody wants to watch 2.5 minutes of this. Except for me. Maybe Aunt Krista. Alright, we're done.